I'm giving a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the nicest one, 5G smartphone, 512 gigabytes, decked out, $1,400 phone almost. Giving it away. You got to subscribe to the channel. Go to Twitter. Follow at cryptobtc_Chris. If you go down to the description of this video, there's a TikTok link. You got to follow me on TikTok and then leave a comment in the comment section along with a like. Subscribe to YouTube, like YouTube, comment on YouTube. I thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin pullback. Let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Working on the 9th red week in a row for Bitcoin. This is the worst performance, most consecutive weekly red candles, the worst in the history of Bitcoin. We're breaking records to the downside. Now, the real simple idea here is every time you wake up and you think, hey, Bitcoin's going to the moon, today is the day. Previously, you had this bounce here. Previously, you had this bounce here. Well, right now, all the sellers are stuck right here. 31,750 needs to break, flip for upside ideas out of Bitcoin, period. Bitcoin 1 hour chart. Again, in order for bullish ideas to even be considered midterm holds, right, you need this level to be broken up here. Now, Bitcoin's in this range, chop city. It's been tough trading. We've been nailing these Kucoin gem picks, banging. So you have your range high, your mid range, and your range low. The way this works is if you lose the mid range, you'll end up down here at 27,150. Now, there is some oversold bounce ideas on the smaller term time frames. And again, this thing has been tough to trade, but these Kucoin gems have been banging. This upside here, I mean, this rising wedge, this bear flag was supposed to break lower, and it continued higher considerably up to the range high. Okay, and then when it broke down today, it dumped quickly. So we're going to see how the SPX ties into this, what the SPX, the stock market, needs to do. And there's some news that's going to move the market this week. So pay attention. Watch the video all the way to the end. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, Harry Murphy, shout out to you. He just quit his job 2 weeks ago. Thanks to me. You're a legend. Listen, none of this would be possible without you guys. Working, I'm telling you, life is not about working for the man. It is not about sipping coffee, sitting in traffic. It's just not. Shout out to this person. His first trade over 100% profits. You taught me so much. This person said this dude's group is worth every penny. Totally paid for itself in the first month. Dude, in the first couple trades, people are paying for the group. It's a no-brainer. This person, love your YouTube channel. I turned $3,500 from eBay sales into almost $130,000 with your crypto setups. This is double what I earned working for my job. The smartest investment you can make in your life is to learn how this market works. And to sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount, 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. Pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Till you learn the rules, you cannot win, period. We're nailing the bangers. 220% gains out of Roar, 312% gains out of RaceFi, 492% gains out of FTM, 389% gains out of Heroes. We're nailing shorts, we're nailing longs. This has been amazing. The SPX, we talked about this exact idea where the best chance for a good, strong reversal would be some bullish divergence and a breakout of this falling wedge. So, still standing. That if you do get a breakout here, you're looking for some Bitcoin upside. Otherwise, your next low could be a lower low. So Bitcoin could see a lot lower levels depending on what this does in the morning. So pay attention. Pivot point coming. Over the next 2 days, this news we just are about to talk about is going to move the market. Wednesday, May the 25th. The FOMC meeting minutes are the key event for the markets this week. Chris, what are the FOMC meeting minutes? The meeting minutes are detailed. They're a detailed record of the committee's policy setting meeting held about 2 weeks earlier. So this has already been talked about, but this is going to just go through verbatim, word for word. And the minutes are going to offer detailed insights regarding the FOMC's stance on monetary policy. If they're hawkish, that means they're going to raise the rates 50 basis points again. You're going to see the markets tank. If they're even more hawkish than that, 75 basis points, tank city. If they're dovish and you only see a 25 basis point rate hike, potentially bullish for the market. These minutes are going to come out on Wednesday. Be ready for the market move, period. Right now, pre-market, red. Not amazing. Bitcoin rolled over today, and obviously pre-markets are red as well. They follow each other in tandem. Actually, I should say Bitcoin's following the leader, S&P 500, like clockwork. Just to give you an idea of what I've been through in this market, because I've been here in this game for years and years and years, 5 years, right? Understand that longevity is a key. Make a 4-year plan. Understand that the things you're learning right now, you have to go through this pain. You have to take these losses, but you have to continue to grow and learn. So no, for Ethereum, as an example, this is the Ethereum USDT chart. Back in 2017, I was buying Ethereum, $120, $50, $100, paycheck to paycheck, buying little pieces. Right? Used to, back in the day, you had Circle. Coinbase really wasn't as big as it is now. Right here, China banned Bitcoin. The market tanked. I'm in a hotel on the floor buying Bitcoin. My family's sleeping in beds. I'm on the floor. I'm buying $3,500 Bitcoin after Bitcoin tanked from 5,600 down to 3,500. Possibly even lower than that. But I bought it at about 3,500. This thing ran up to close to 20,000. You want to talk about run-up season, Bitcoin bull market, pump rally? I was there. And then, not knowing any better, I'm listening to all the YouTube yahoos, and you know who they are. I bought some Ethereum at $1,200. Everybody's like, dude, it's going to freaking 5,000. Well, and it did, but it took years. But then I took a lot of losses, right? Took a huge hit. 60% of my portfolio lost, right? Well, what changed? The game changed for me is I said, you know what? I want to be better than everybody else. I'm going to figure this out. And so I started watching stock traders. And this was like the walk of shame. I mean, first you had this previous pullback. And I was like, dude, I got to learn this market. I got to learn how to trade. I was sick, like fetal position in the bed, sick, lost all this money. This is supposed to be the American dream, and it was because of this run-up. And then I gave back 50%, and later on a little bit more than that. But it was like the walk of shame. I'm going to the bank. I remember it like it was yesterday. I'm walking in there, taking out a couple $1,000s. That's all I had, with small amounts. But I loaded up on this dip. I hit Neo for 3x. I hit Bitcoin for almost 2x. I hit Ethereum for 2x, maybe a little bit more. I quit working right here because I knew this was it. I was going to learn to trade this market and do real well. And the market was not easy. I started the trading group somewhere in here. This was not easy trading. But during a downtrend, days where you see double-digit red coins, all you do is buy the freaking bloodiest coins out there. And we made a ton of money. And I did slowly over time. And I remember Arthur Hayes called $80 Ethereum after it was $1,200, $1,400 up here. I said, 2-digit Ethereum, there's no way. And it happened. And then it happened again. I bought more ETH at $120. Right? It took an entire market cycle for me to really change my life forever. You have to build up the capital you need to make life-changing money. Okay, so your first run up, you're going to buy the top. You FOMO in like everybody else. Your second market cycle, there's some smaller cycles in here, which I did pretty well on. We did pretty well in the group, chasing these news pumps, Tron mainnet, Tron testnet. Understand that for whatever reason, but BNB at $9 after the panic situation crash. $9 BNB ran to, and I started selling at 125. So I didn't nail the top for sure because it ran to 600. Started selling at 150, 200, 250. You cannot be mad at 20 and 25x. I could have made so much more money, but I locked in profits. One trade, one big buy changed everything quickly. And then again, Ethereum back at $86, double digit. The point is, it only takes one good solid trade. And you're going to have multiple moments to buy these coins at ridiculously low prices. And what you think is low isn't always low, right? This market can pull back considerably. But these bounces, you've seen them before. These bounces, you can make so much money, but you have to learn the rules. If you don't even know the rules, and if some of the stuff that I talk about sounds a little bit foreign, you're trying to take other people's money in this market. You do not have a chance if you do not know how they trade. You have to know the rules. You have to know what other people are going to do, and you have to be better than they are. It's not hard when Bitcoin's running super hard to make money. Down in here, buying here, and just hold it. But this stuff, hold this and you get wrecked. And that's where, unfortunately, most people started buying is up in here. The FOMO was real. Everyone's calling for $10,000 Ethereum. I sold $2,800 Ethereum, nowhere near the top. I sold some at $4,000. Again, not the top. You do not have to be perfect at this to make a ton of money. Longevity is the key to success in this market. I can help you and show. I've been through all this. I can show you what you need to know and understand on a daily basis. And I've got a group, a team. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.